There are some stocks out there that don't just offer a return, they offer life-changing upside. Stocks that, if timed right and held through their growth phases, have the potential to turn a few hundred or a few $1,000s into hundreds of thousands or even millions. So today we are diving into a stock that has the potential to make you rich if you play it right. This is not one of those random meme stocks. This is a stock backed by solid fundamentals, powerful technology, strong financials, and growing momentum in one of the hottest industries in the market right now. A stock with real-world adoption, a growing client base, and a product that's positioned at the center of a multi-billion-dollar trend that's just getting started. It has the backing of smart money, is scaling at an impressive rate, and still flying under the radar of most retail investors. So if you're serious about making money in the stock market, make sure to watch till the end and remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the hottest stocks in the market. The stock we're talking about today is SoundHound AI Inc., ticker symbol SON, currently trading on the NASDAQ. SoundHound AI is a voice artificial intelligence company that's been around since 2005 and is headquartered in Santa Clara, California, right in the heart of Silicon Valley. But make no mistake, this is not some outdated tech firm. In fact, SoundHound is more relevant than ever. It's building and deploying one of the most powerful voice AI platforms in the world, enabling businesses to create fully customized conversational experiences. We're talking about the kind of AI that lets you interact with machines and devices the same way you talk to a friend, naturally, accurately, and instantly. At a time when AI is taking over industries left and right, SoundHound is at the core of a transformation in human-computer interaction. Whether it's ordering food from a restaurant, interacting with a smart car, or engaging with a voice assistant in retail or healthcare, SoundHound's tech is making it faster, smarter, and more human-like. One of the most exciting aspects of SoundHound's growth story right now is its proprietary AI model, Polaris. Polaris is outperforming its rivals in latency, speed, and sentence accuracy. That means when users speak to a SoundHound-powered system, it understands what they're saying faster and more accurately than competing systems. In a world where every second matters and user experience is everything, that competitive edge is huge. It's not just impressive, it's a moat. And it's one of the reasons SoundHound has been winning deals across multiple industries. The company has also been making strategic acquisitions to expand its capabilities and customer base. Recently, SoundHound acquired SwineQ3 and Allset, two firms that operate in the voice commerce and restaurant tech space. These deals have opened up access to massive new markets and brought SoundHound solutions into even more hands. The integration of these acquisitions has been smooth and highly strategic, offering both cross-selling opportunities and accelerated client onboarding. In its latest quarterly report, SoundHound AI posted revenue of $29.1 million, which represents an eye-popping 151% increase year over year. That's not just growth, it's hypergrowth. This kind of top-line expansion shows that demand for SoundHound solutions is not just strong, but accelerating. It's rare to find a company growing this fast in such a competitive sector, and it speaks volumes about the quality of its technology and the strength of its go-to-market strategy. From a profitability perspective, there's a clear focus on scaling efficiently. The company reported a GAAP gross margin of 37%, slightly down from the previous year, but its non-GAAP gross margin came in at 51%, which is strong for a company investing heavily in growth. It's normal to see some margin compression when a company is expanding quickly, but SoundHound has managed to keep things tight and under control. Now let's talk expenses. R&D came in at $24.8 million, a 66% increase. Sales and marketing totaled $12 million, up 117%, and general and administrative expenses were $18.4 million, up 79%. On the surface, these are big increases, but that's to be expected for a company scaling at this speed. These aren't wasted dollars. They're strategic investments into future growth. Importantly, the company remains well capitalized, with $246 million in cash and no debt. That's a massive cushion and gives SoundHound flexibility to continue investing, acquiring, and expanding without worrying about liquidity. Not only is the company aggressively investing in its future, but it's also doing it from a position of financial strength. Adjusted EBITDA for the quarter came in at a loss of $22.2 million, and the non-GAAP net loss was $22.3 million, or 6 cents per share. While still in the red, the losses are narrowing relative to revenue growth, And with cash usage improving by 13% year over year, it's clear that SoundHound is moving toward a break-even point in the not-so-distant future. Now here's where things get even more exciting: the future outlook. The company has issued 2025 revenue guidance in the range of $157 million to $177 million. That's more than 5 times its current quarterly run rate. Think about that for a second. If a company can continue to deliver 100% plus year-over-year growth while improving margins and scaling its client base, that revenue forecast starts to look not just achievable, but potentially conservative. And it's not just the internal projections that are bullish. Wall Street analysts are beginning to catch on. According to the latest data, 7 Wall Street analysts have issued 12-month price targets on SoundHound, with an average target of $11.50. While that's slightly below the current price of $12.90, it's important to note that the highest target is $18. That would represent a solid upside from here. But what those price targets don't fully capture is the asymmetric upside potential SoundHound offers. This is the kind of stock that could quietly 2x or 3x before it even becomes a blip on the radar for the average investor. And that's where the opportunity lies. The market hasn't fully priced in what this company could become. The AI sector is exploding, and most of the attention is focused on a handful of mega-cap names. But as companies look for specialized, flexible, and scalable voice AI solutions, SoundHound is emerging as the go-to player in that niche. One of the most promising areas is voice commerce, where SoundHound is experiencing massive interest. Restaurants, car manufacturers, hospitality chains, all are beginning to integrate voice-enabled solutions. Imagine pulling up to a drive-thru and speaking your order to a SoundHound-powered assistant, or interacting with your car's dashboard assistant to find directions, make dinner reservations, or play your favorite music, all without lifting a finger. These aren't futuristic concepts. These are real-world use cases being deployed right now. And as adoption spreads, SoundHound is building recurring revenue streams that are sticky, scalable, and lucrative. Another massive advantage? Revenue diversification. No single customer accounts for more than 10% of total revenue. That's huge. It means that SoundHound isn't overly dependent on any one client, which dramatically reduces risk and makes the company more resilient. This is especially important in today's macroeconomic environment, where companies that rely too heavily on one revenue stream can quickly become vulnerable. SoundHound's broad customer base is a testament to the strength and adaptability of its platform. So what does all this mean for investors right now? It means that SoundHound AI is sitting at the intersection of innovation, demand, and scalability. With a unique tech advantage, real-world adoption, powerful partnerships, and a balance sheet that gives it the freedom to grow, this company is more than just another AI name. It's a potential breakout star. Well, that concludes our list for today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that bell so you never miss out on the next breakout stock opportunity. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.